Fried tilapia with onion, cilantro, and tomato on top. A delicious dish that can be enjoyed as a main course. Ingredients: 2 medium-sized tilapia fillets. Salt and black pepper to taste. 1/2 cup all-purpose flour. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 1 medium-sized onion, chopped. 2 medium-sized tomatoes, chopped. 1/4 cup chopped fresh cilantro. Instructions: season the tilapia fillets with salt and black pepper. Place the flour in a shallow dish and coat the tilapia fillets in it, shaking off any excess flour. Heat the vegetable oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add the tilapia fillets, and fry for 3 to 4 minutes on each side until golden brown and crispy. Remove the tilapia fillets from the skillet and transfer them to a serving plate. In the same skillet, add the chopped onions and sauté for 2 to 3 minutes until softened. Season the tomato and onion mixture with salt and black pepper to taste. Spoon the tomato and onion mixture over the fried tilapia fillets. Garnish with chopped cilantro and serve hot.